When the other cabinet light has been installed, it's time to run the wiring. And in this case, the wiring is going this way because over in that corner is where the power supply would be sitting. But what happens often is that when you pull that wire behind those cabinets, it will fall down here. And that is unfortunate because we want it to be sitting behind the cabinet without too much trouble. And I want to show you how to do just that. Before we get to that, I need to run the wire, so I will do that very fast. So the wiring has been run through over here, and it's sitting on those, those plastic distance pieces on the back of the cabinet. And you may notice that my cabinets are not tied in yet, and the panels here where the microwave hood will be sitting has not been put in, because this is the best time to put in the wiring. If you do it afterwards, it will be so much more difficult. But what to do about this, because this one keeps falling down, and I don't want it to be in the way of when we're mounting the microwave hood. So let me show you how to fix that problem. What you need is just your knife, and then you need some of those clear plastic boxes that the light comes in. And what you do is you just simply, without cutting your fingers off or anything, you just cut out a piece of this stiff plastic, and then I'll start with one. Then we have this size, see, right? And what you simply do is you bend it like this, and then you grab the wire and put it in this fold, and you simply push this one up behind the cabinet, just like that. Then, because the plastic is so stiff, it will just expand up there and hold the wiring up until everything is in place, and now the wiring is not falling down. It's a free tip because you have what you need. You just take the plastic box, but don't cut your fingers off because it can be a bit tricky to cut in this material.